Welcome to a back kitchen edition of Fit and Free with me. I'm Angel, and it's getting late and I haven't done my arm stretches today, so thought I'd do them and invite you to join me if you feel like it. I like to remind you there's not one way to check in with yourself, but it is important to maintain consistency checking in with yourself. I've been having some arm dysfunction for quite some time, increasingly, and I finally decided enough with getting worse. I'm going to start changing up my routine so I can get better. And that's how we do, right? So, not only is regular stretching really important and good for the muscles, but it's also great to de-stress. It doesn't have to take a long time. And a little goes a long way sometimes. Of course, you can always do more, but I like to remind you, even a little bit is worth it. And you're worth it. I hope to be seeing you soon. Stay courageous.